What's up, y'all? It's your boy SRT BUBZ, and we're back with another video for you guys. I just want to start the video off by thanking you guys for tuning in. You guys clicked this video. You guys are supporting me, and I really appreciate that so much. That being said, I also want your guys' feedback as much as possible. So let me know in the comment section below any video ideas you guys have, anything you guys want to see. Let me know. I got a nice video for you guys. Read the title, you know exactly why you're here. This video is the top 5 things that I absolutely love about my SRT. So I'm ready to start this video, but before I do that, you guys gotta go down, get us with a thumbs up, hit that subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you get notified every single time I post, and let's get to it. Alright, so I'm gonna start the video off with a quick walk around. Here is my SRT Jeep, y'all. My 2019 SRT Grand Cherokee, man. You got carbon on the hood, and I also got carbon wrap on the trunk. It's like 4D carbon, so the carbon actually has like a texture. Pretty dope. Number one thing that I absolutely love about my SRT Jeep, man, is how aggressive it looks all throughout the day, at night especially. It just looks menacing. This crystal granite, it looks almost black at night, and I just love it. Got it lowered so it gives it a better stance. I wish I had my spacers on it still, which gave it an even crazier stance. Those maybe soon come back. So the number 2 thing that I absolutely love about my Jeep is that underneath here is a beautiful 392 V8, and I absolutely love the sound. I'm gonna give y'all a couple revs. The sound is the number 2 thing about this Jeep. It's loud, and I actually planning on getting it loud. I'm thinking about straight piping it. Let me know what you guys think what I should do, because right now it's kind of quiet. The idle, it's not too quiet, but you know I'm there. I need to have a little more growl to it. So yeah, that's number 2 on the list, is the sound of this SRT. So the number 3 thing that I love about my Jeep is that it's an absolute sleeper. A lot of people don't know that a Grand Cherokee can have a 6.4 liter Hemi, and a lot of people don't know that there also is a 6.2 liter supercharged Jeep Grand Cherokee. Me pulling up, people think it's gonna be a regular Grand Cherokee. So little do they know, it's almost 500 horses underneath there. It goes 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds. It's definitely a sleeper. A lot of people don't know about this type of vehicle. Let me step inside for number 4. So number 4 is the drive modes that the SRT got, man. You got 5 modes that you could literally do anything with this vehicle. I forgot the towing capacity, but it's definitely 7,500 pounds. It's a lot of weight that you could pull with this. In snow mode, I had it in the snow. If you guys don't know, check out my Instagram. I got videos of me doing donuts and all fun stuff in the snow. Definitely a beast in the snow. Auto also has eco mode. Doesn't really help, but whatever. Sport mode, everybody's favorite mode, track mode. With this, having all of these modes, these 5 drive modes, it makes it so versatile. And to wrap up the list, the 5th thing that I absolutely love about my Jeep is that the fact that it has a outlet plug in here. Like, I never really thought that there would be an outlet plug. I could charge my GoPro, my phone, anything you need, you can charge it in the Jeep, man. It's crazy. Alright, y'all, that about does that for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Follow me on my Instagram at SRTBUBZ. Over 35K on there, which is crazy. I never thought it would get to that point. So make sure you guys follow me at SRTBUBZ. Also, go down, get us with a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe and hit that post notification bell so you can notify every single time I post. You guys don't want to miss the next videos that I got coming for y'all. Hope to see you guys soon. Peace.